Employees are the users of RotaCloud. When you add an employee, you can send them an invite allowing them to set up their own account. They can then log in to view their shifts, request leave, and clock in and out with our time and attendance package. To add a new employee, click the Company tab and select Employees. Here, click the blue plus icon at the top of the page. You can then enter the employee's first name, last name, and optional email address. Entering an email address will allow you to send them an invite to join and will act as their username for logging in. Choose if you'd like to send their invite here. If you're not ready to invite them yet, you can always send this later on. Click Continue and choose which location you'd like to add them to. Once you've made your selection, you'll then be taken to the employee's profile. If you're an admin user, you can choose their account type here to determine if they will have simple employee-level access, higher manager-level access, or full control with admin-level access. Scroll down to enter the information you'd like to their account, for example, their holiday allowance and start date. You can also use the menu on the left to select different sections of their profile. Once you've added the information you need, simply click Save at the bottom of the page.